Understanding Idioms. Hop the Twig, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, where words take on new meanings and bring color to our language. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, hop the twig. So, stay tuned to learn about this idiom's origins, uses, and more. The phrase, hop the twig, is an idiom that means to die or pass away. It's not commonly used in modern English, but it's a great example of the colorful and historical aspects of the language. Idioms like this can be confusing for English learners because the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. Hop the twig is believed to have originated in the 18th century. The twig may refer to a small branch of a tree, which symbolizes the fragile line between life and death. When someone hops the twig, it's as though they have crossed over from the side of life to death. This idiom is quite dated and not very common in everyday conversation. However, understanding it can give you insight into historical texts or novels. For example, you might say, in the last chapter of the book, the main character sadly hops the twig, to describe a character's demise. Idioms are an important part of learning English because they show how the language can be playful and inventive. They often pose a challenge for learners because they don't translate literally. That's why context is key in understanding and using idioms correctly. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the idiom, hop the twig. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about cultural expressions and history. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language insights. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.